Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Nuggs, a cryptocurrency exchange that has been gaining a lot of attention lately. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the Nuggs crypto contract address and how to send BTC from Nuggs. Nuggs crypto contract address. The Nuggs crypto contract address is the unique address that is associated with the Nuggs cryptocurrency. This address is used to identify the contract and to interact with it. There are a few different ways to find the Nuggs crypto contract address. One way is to go to the Nuggs website and click on the Contract tab. This will take you to a page that lists all of the Nuggs crypto contracts. Another way to find the Nuggs crypto contract address is to use a blockchain explorer. There are a number of different blockchain explorers available, but I recommend using etherscan.io. Once you are on etherscan.io, simply enter the Nuggs crypto contract address into the search bar. How to send BTC from Nuggs. Sending BTC from Nuggs is a very simple process. Here are the steps. Log into your Nuggs account. Click on the Send tab. Enter the address of the recipient. Enter the amount of BTC that you want to send. Click on the Send button. Once you have clicked on the Send button, your BTC will be sent to the recipient. The recipient will then be able to see the BTC in their wallet. Conclusion. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would also like to add that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.